Hey, bruv, tap in your oysters.
Have you got oyster?
Yes, I've got oysters.
Have you got oyster?
Victoria Area 19, Signal speaking.
Hello Signal, this is the driver of 2 Mike 84 standing at Victor Sierra 169 at Beckenham Junction Station.
Hello, driver 2 Mike 84 at Beckenham Junction.
Yeah, hello Signal, I'm having a problem with dragging brakes and I'm unable to move the train at this moment in time.
Victoria Area 19, Signal speaking.
Hello Signal, this is the driver 1 November 50 standing at Victor Sierra 165 on the Down Chatham Main.
Driver 1 November 50 standing at Victor Sierra 165. Be advised that the train ahead of you standing at Beckenham Junction is unable to move.
Single yellow.
Every time. So long that train. What do you do? She's just so chuckles all the time, isn't she? Oh, you're funny, ain't you? Oh, my accident.
While dealing with the calls from 1 November 50 and 2 Mike 84, dealing with the fitter and the driver, I looked up at my panel and saw that the train was now moving. The track started to flood, which basically means the route wasn't set for that train. The only thing that I could do was just put in a general stop to stop all trains in Area 19's area. One by one, all the trains in the Hernhill area started receiving the general stop, but I didn't receive the general stop for the 2 Mike 86, which was the main train that we wanted to stop.